California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my 2020 front porch fall clean and decorate with me. So we are going to be decorating my big front porch for the fall 2020 season. I kind of take you through the process of what I'm going to be doing to here. At the end, I give you a tour and kind of tell you where everything is from. So make sure you stick around to the end so you can see where all of this decor is from. And let's just go ahead and get started in this video. I am just going to go ahead and start out with the stairs and kind of decorate. I had a vision and it came to life, but I also love these little mums that I got from Lowe's. And I love the orange bands around them. I feel like they just scream fall and they'd be perfect for Halloween as well. But we'll go ahead and see how long I can keep these alive for. I will have to keep you guys updated, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the decorating and kind of do the stairs first.
Behind their shapes, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you.
I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to go ahead and do with this basket of flowers, but I ended up figuring it out in the end. If you guys are new here though, welcome. My name is Carlie. I do tons of cleaning motivation, home decor, and a little bit of lifestyle motherhood here on my channel. So if you guys are into those type of videos, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But next, I'm just going to go ahead and put down this Hello pumpkin mat. And I'm not going to lie, this has been on my porch since last season. I have not taken it off. I have not gotten like a spring or summer one. It has literally been the same one since last fall, which I think is funny. But now I'm going to go ahead and clean off the door and put my wreath on there.
Then when it's 90 degrees, without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold.
So since my welcome mat has been on my front porch since last season, it got a little worn out, and I have a little tip for you guys, or a little trick. If you do have a welcome mat and it has the black font on it, take a Sharpie or some paint and just go ahead and go over it. It brightens it up. It fills in those gaps that might have gotten rubbed off, but that's what I did for this, and it looked way better in the end. You could tell that a little bit of it was fading, so I just took that black marker, went in and filled it in, and I think it looked good, and I didn't have to go out and buy a new one.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
I definitely picked the hottest day that it has been in Pennsylvania in a while. The past 2 days it has been in the 80s. Before this it has been in the 70s with like the low in the 40s, but I did pick the hottest day to go ahead and decorate my front porch. I was watching my one from last year and I had on like a huge heavy jacket, and it was only maybe a week out from when I filmed this one, so it's just crazy how the weather changes every single year and how different it is. But over here, I'm just putting this bench. It has been inside my home if you guys do watch my videos. I decided to move it out for the fall and Halloween season just because I feel like it has a better fit out here. So I just put a pumpkin on there, and now I'm going to go ahead and hang up some kid-friendly decor because I do have an almost 2-year-old and I just want to go ahead and make it as fun as possible for her. Let me know down in the comments if you guys decorate your front porch for the fall and Halloween time and even Christmas if you live somewhere warm. I will have a Halloween clean and decorate with me for my front porch coming out very soon as well. I'm super excited about that. I've turned it into a little bit of a spooky theme, which is super fun. We're so into the fall and Halloween season in this home, but I go ahead and put this basket of florals up here next to the hay bale, and I think it had a good fit up there. So it is a little bit later in the day now. I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you around the front porch. I figured the lighting would maybe be a little bit better towards the end of the night. I have already had to fix that sign, that blows over because it is windy. We do live up on a mountain. This is our view from our front porch, which is super pretty. We absolutely love it up here. This is the front porch. So over here I just have a scarecrow that I got from the dollar store. I just have it hung up right there. Everyone thinks it is the funniest thing ever. So I love having kid-friendly stuff with my decor since I do have an almost 2-year-old. Down here I just have this little pumpkin sign that I got from, I think, either Hobby Lobby's or Michael's last year. All underneath of this mulch is rock like this, so it's really hard to put anything in the ground. You can see the rocks in there. That is what is under our house and pretty much in all of our yard. We're trying to get our yard to cover all of the rocks, but like I said, we do live up on a mountain in Pennsylvania, so it is rocky. But those are the two things I have over here. And then down here on the stairs, I do have plans to repaint this front porch white. I'm pregnant right now, so I'm not going to be painting it anytime soon, but hopefully by next fall I will have it all white instead of this brown color. But I got this pumpkin and this orange pumpkin from Lowe's today. They were each $10. They are fake pumpkins. They are the carvable ones. I got this little lantern from Dollar General. That was $10 from last year. I got this mum, that mum, and that mum from Lowe's, and I love the detailing on these. They have like the orange band on the bottom and the top, which I think is really pretty. It is like golden hour right here outside our home right now. And then I just have the like maroon wine color one. This pumpkin I got from Walmart. It was, I think, only like $7, which is not bad. This welcome to our patch sign is from, I believe, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I don't know, I want to say Michael's, maybe from last year. Over here I just have this other scarecrow hanging. We got him from the dollar store, I think, as well last year. A lot of this stuff is from last year, except for the mums and these pumpkins. So this is how it looks when you come up to the front. I absolutely love it. I think it is so pretty. I love all of the colors, all of the bright oranges and reds and yellows. So when you walk up the stairs, I have this little bucket that I got from, I think, Hobby Lobby, and I filled it with a bunch of leftover fake flowers. I just kind of went with like the orange and yellow theme. And then I got this hay bale from Lowe's today. It was only $6, which is super inexpensive. These little scarecrows are from the dollar store, as well as this happy harvest sign. So that is what is on the right side of my door. This Hello Pumpkin mat is from Michael's last year. I got this mum, it was $5 from Lowe's. This welcome sign is from Dollar General last year, and it has like its own stand, which is really nice. I absolutely love this sign. It blows over all of the time though. Over here on the table I just have this Happy Harvest. This is from Dollar General as well, and then I just filled it with some fall florals. This pumpkin pillow is from Dollar General last year. A lot of my decor, outside decor, is from there. And I absolutely love sitting here, and those are my dogs, and looking at the view. You literally cannot beat this. So yeah, this is what this part looks like. And then over here, we got this bench for a wedding, or no, an engagement gift. And then I just have a pumpkin on top. And then I don't want to open up my door because I don't want Evelyn to hear me, but this is the wreath that I made 2 years ago. And I absolutely love this wreath. I made it from Dollar Tree. I believe everything is from Dollar Tree. So I do have a tutorial up on my channel from last year, how to make wreaths like that, but I absolutely love it. And this is the front porch. It is a lot different from last year, which I absolutely love. I feel like I went a little bit more extra this year, but I just love how everything turned out, how everything glows at nighttime. I just think it is so pretty. So yeah, that is my little fall 2020 front porch decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.